Hi everybody, what's going on? Welcome back. It's been a little bit of a while since I've actually been physically on camera, since Sea2Sky. Great training weekend last weekend at Cam Quarry, good day on Sunday. .70 kilometres riding around there, got some good technical sections in amongst some of the distance sort of work as well, and really feel good for it. But today we're back in the workshop at Eurotech, just working on the Sea2Sky Submarine. You may remember this one. I'll show you a quick photograph of Don Coleman in the river at Sea2Sky. That was Dom in the river at Sea2Sky. Dom sort of pulled out of the race not long after that. The bike wasn't running properly, it was blowing a lot of smoke out, burning a lot of oil, and that's what we found yesterday when we opened the engine up. We got the bike in the workshop here, engine out, stripped it fully down, and we're giving it a full rebuild. So this is where we are at the moment. I'm just cleaning out the inlet track, from where the air filter goes, and the throttle body. As you can see there, the throttle body's full of gunk, and that what was same sort of stuff in the air filter intake. So I'm going to clean all these out before we put the engine back in, and hopefully get it up and running. Hopefully back end of the week. I mean, we're still waiting for one part, and that's a new stator to come, but other than that the engine's done. I've got it on the workbench here. So yeah, we're just waiting for a new stator, and then we should have it up and running fairly soon. So that's the current situation with the Sea2Sky Submarine. Eurotech, we can rebuild them.